a rhino, a hippo, a goat, a monkey, a crocodile, and a giraffe. Animal sounds.
Animal sounds. Who says moo? Cow. Cow says moo. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Who says oink, oink? Pig. Me. Me. Who says me? It's horse. Ba. 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 Who says ba? It's sheep. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Who says that? It's fox. Trumpet. Who says that? It's an elephant trumpet. Who says that? It's the king of the jungle, lion. Meow. Meow. The most heard sound. Yes, you are right. It's a cat. Cat says meow. Who says that? It's monkey. Monkey chatters. Who makes such noise? It's a leopard. And it is called as grunts and growls. Again, the same kind of noise and also hiss. That is none other than crocodile. Me. It's zebra. The roar and growl. Who does that? It's tiger. Ho, 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 ho. Yes, it's loud pet. A dog. Dog says wow, wow. Hee-haw. Who says that? It's donkey. Ah-oo, ah-oo. Grunts and growls. Who does that? It's rhino. Growls and honk. It's hippo. Bleep. Ba. Ma. Who says that? It's a goat. Goat says ba or ma. Bleep and hum. Such a noise. Who makes that? It's giraffe. Well done. Now let's listen to the real sound of these animals. Did you hear? What did the cow say? Cow said, moo. It's none other than pig. Pig says oink, oink. Did you hear that? It's a horse. Horse knees. Now can you tell me what animal it is? It's sheep. Sheep says ba, ba. It's a sound of fox. Fox says, "Ooh, woo, woo, woo." Did you hear the trumpet? Who does that? It's an elephant. Yes, elephant sound is called as trumpet. It's a loud sound. It's a roar. Who does that? It's lion. Lion's sound is called as roar. It's a hungry cat. Cat meows. Did you listen? What sound it is? It's a chattering sound. Who does that? It's none other than monkey. Yes, monkey chatters. It grunts and growls. It's leopard. Leopards grunts and growls. It again grunts and growls, and sometimes it hisses. It's none other than the crocodile. Yes, the sound of crocodile is grunts, growls, and sometimes hiss. Did you hear that? It's a sound of, yes, zebra. Zebra means whinny or click click, click click. That was so scary. Who does that noise? It's tiger. Yes, tiger also roars and growls like lion. This is a most familiar noise, isn't it? It's our loud pet. It's a dog. Yes, dog bark, bow how. Have you heard of this noise? It's a donkey. Donkey says hee ha and sometimes ray. It's a rhino. Rhinoceros grunts and growls. Hippo growls and honks. It's goat. Goat bleats and says ba ba. Giraffe bleats and hums. Now let's do the animal sounds revision one more time.
Cow says moo. Pig says oink oink. Horse wheeze. Sheep says baa. Fox says moo. Elephant trumpet. growls and honks. Goat, bleat. Goat says meh, meh. Giraffe bleats and humps. For more such videos, subscribe, like and share.